Last Christmas, while we were in lockdown, millions of people were unable to be with their families. Thousands of people waved through their care home windows at loved ones, wishing them a Merry Christmas from the side of the road. People died without that last touch from their daughters, their sons, their wives. Working in intensive care, I wept behind my mask as 3 children talking to their dying mother on an iPad begged her to wake up, while parties were held at number 10. This is an insult to everyone who followed the rules. So my question is very simple. How does the Prime Minister sleep at night?